Hi, welcome to Facts Know How. In today's video we going to talk about the cockatiel parrots and some of the most commonly asked questions by various people around the world, so let's get started. Introduction to cockatiel parrots. A cockatiel parrot, also known as a Quaker parrot or a monk parakeet, is a small, colorful parrot species native to South America. They are known for their social and playful nature, and their ability to mimic sounds and words. Cockatiel parrots typically grow to be about 11 to 12 inches, 28 to 30 centimeters, in length and come in a variety of colors, including green, blue, gray, and yellow. They are popular pets because of their intelligence, affectionate nature, and relatively easy care requirements. While they are not considered endangered, it is important to obtain cockatiel parrots from reputable breeders to ensure their health and well-being, as well as to avoid supporting the illegal trade of wild parrots. Second most commonly asked question: what is the age span of a cockatiel parrot? Cockatiel parrots, also known as Quaker parrots or monk parakeets, have an average lifespan of 15 to 20 years in captivity with proper care. However, some individuals may live well into their 20s or even 30s with excellent care and a healthy diet. It's important to provide cockatiel parrots with a balanced diet, plenty of exercise, and regular veterinary checkups to ensure they live a long and healthy life. Third most commonly asked question: what is the breeding season for a cockatiel parrots? Cockatiel parrots, also known as Quaker parrots or monk parakeets, do not have a specific breeding season as they can breed year-round in captivity. However, in the wild, they tend to breed during the rainy season, which typically occurs between November and March in their native range in South America. In captivity, breeding cockatiel parrots requires careful planning and preparation to ensure the health and well-being of the birds and their offspring. It's important to provide them with a suitable nesting box, a nutritious diet, and a quiet and stress-free environment during the breeding process. Additionally, it's recommended to only breed cockatiel parrots that are in good health and a breeding age, which is typically between 1 to 4 years old. Fourth most commonly asked question: which feeds are perfect for a cockatiel parrot? Cockatiel parrots, also known as Quaker parrots or monk parakeets, require a balanced and nutritious diet to maintain their health and well-being. Here are some foods that are suitable for feeding cockatiel parrots. 1. Pellets. A high-quality, species-specific pellet should form the basis of a cockatiel parrot's diet. Pellets provide a balanced mix of vitamins, minerals, and nutrients that are essential for their health. 2. Fresh fruits and vegetables. Cockatiel parrots enjoy a wide variety of fruits and vegetables, such as apples, bananas, grapes, carrots, and spinach. These foods provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber that can help support their digestive health. 3. Seeds and nuts. Seeds and nuts should be fed in moderation, as they are high in fat. However, they are a good source of protein and healthy fats that can provide energy for the birds. 4. Cooked foods. Cooked foods such as brown rice, whole grain pasta, and boiled eggs can also be included in a cockatiel parrot's diet. It's important to avoid feeding cockatiel parrots any foods that are toxic or harmful to their health, such as chocolate, caffeine, avocado, and alcohol. Additionally, it's important to ensure that they have access to clean, fresh water at all times. Fifth mostly commonly asked question: can we tame a cockatiel parrot as a home pet? Yes, cockatiel parrots, also known as Quaker parrots or monk parakeets, can be tamed and make excellent home pets. They are intelligent and social birds that can bond closely with their owners with patient and consistent training. To tame a cockatiel parrot, it's important to provide them with a quiet and stress-free environment, plenty of toys to keep them entertained, and a balanced and nutritious diet. Spend time talking to and interacting with your bird every day, gradually introducing your hand into their space and offering them treats to encourage them to approach you. Over time, you can work on training your cockatiel parrot to step up onto your hand, and eventually to perform tricks and other behaviors. It's important to be patient and consistent with training, as cockatiel parrots can be sensitive and easily stressed. With proper care and attention, however, they can make wonderful and affectionate pets. Now here are some very amazing facts about cockatiel parrots you never heard before. 1. Communication. Cockatiel parrots are known for their excellent communication skills, both with each other and with humans. They can mimic a wide range of sounds and words and have been known to develop a vocabulary of up to 200 words. 2. Social nature. Cockatiel parrots are highly social and enjoy interacting with their owners and other birds. In the wild, they often form large communal nests with other parrots, and they can develop strong bonds with their human companions. 3. Nests. Unlike many other parrot species, cockatiel parrots build their nests out of sticks and twigs, which they weave together to create a structure that can weigh up to 200 pounds. 4. Colorful plumage. Cockatiel parrots have a striking appearance, with bright green feathers on their back and wings, a gray breast and head, and blue flight feathers on their wings. 5. Lifespan. With proper care, cockatiel parrots can live for up to 20 to 30 years in captivity, making them a long-term and rewarding pet for bird lovers. 6. Illegal trade. Cockatiel parrots have become a popular pet around the world, which has led to increased illegal trapping and trade of wild birds. It is important to obtain a cockatiel parrot from a reputable breeder to avoid supporting this illegal trade. 7. Native range. Cockatiel parrots are native to South America, where they can be found in the wild from Bolivia to southern Brazil, Argentina, and Uruguay. They are also found in parts of the United States, including Florida, where they have established feral populations. I hope this video will help you finding the best cockatiel parrot for your home for your kids. We truly value your time. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe for more and also hit the like button.